It has now been several weeks since I've been in front of a camera lens. Feels kind of strange. Folks, I have been working to get everything laid out for the new Texas Cooking Today. The new kitchen is being worked on right now. That's what I'm in the process of doing. We've finished the tear out on some cabinets. I'm about to bring in some more tile. We're going to change all of this up the way it looks. And you've seen the before, and now you're going to see, well, you're seeing the during, and you're going to see the after also. And of course, I wanted to mention something about this kitchen. I think it was about 23 years ago, maybe 24, that I came in and remodeled this kitchen a long time ago. I kept the cabinets that were original cabinets, but they were rough looking, so we gave them a second coat. It was actually a polyurethane coat that has held up very well over the years. And so now this kitchen is about to get another redo. And I'm keeping certain elements. I'm going to keep the cabinets, going to keep the counters just for now. And I'm going to be replacing this cooktop. We're going to go to a gas cooktop because I like cooking on gas. So I'm about to have that plumbed in. I'm about to have plumbing changed up for this refrigerator and have it moved over there. And we're going to extend this kitchen down just a little bit, make it a little bigger, a little bit better for filming. That's the whole idea here, is how to produce a kitchen where I can teach cooking firsthand, not as if you were across on the other side of a counter from me, but as if you were right next to me. And that's the way I like to teach cooking. So that's the way I'm setting this up to work. Because I could have rebuilt this any old way I wanted to. I could have opened up this wall, which is non-supporting, and I could have changed up a lot of what's going on in how this kitchen works. But I'm not going to do that. We're going to keep the old galley style, and I'm going to teach as if you were right next to my side. Got a few other changes coming our way in this, but in this house, so you'll know what all's been going on. I've been tearing out the carpet. We're doing a full repaint on everything. This kitchen gets a complete redo, new tile workup. A lot of new stuff is going to be happening in here. I've already got new lighting, which really brightened it up. And for Texas Cooking Today, as I've promised before, Season 6 is going to be all kinds of goodies. There's going to be cakes, there's going to be savory dishes. We're going to do a lot more grilling, a lot more smoking, and just going to be a lot more Texas, I believe. And in addition, I'm also working on a new vegetable garden. So hopefully next year we can get some shots within the vegetable garden and do some meals harvested directly from the soil right here. And I'm looking forward to doing that for you. And it's been many years since I've had the opportunity to do that for myself. So I'm looking forward to that for me. So folks, Texas Cooking Today, we're working on it. It's in progress. Please stick with me and don't give up. Got something special coming your way. A lot of work to be done though. And as soon as this kitchen is ready, I'll be in here cooking. And we're going to make some really, really good food. Well, hello. Oh, yeah. Doing a little work in the shop. Making some brackets. I need to hang my vent hood, and well, I'm just one of those guys that kind of likes things homemade. So I got plenty of mild steel here and lots of other equipment and materials, so I figured what the heck, I can make my own braces to hold up a vent hood, and they'll probably be a lot stronger than what I could buy. That's what I'm doing here. Just so you'll know, Texas Cooking Today, it's coming along, all right? The new kitchen is coming along, all right? There's been a lot of remodeling, and it's not just to the kitchen. I've been working on the whole house. The remodeling is been a lot of work. So here I am in the second month of this, and the kitchen is almost finished to the point that I can start doing videos. A little more detail work needs to be done to it, but when you see it, you'll be surprised at where it started and what it has come to. And I did it kind of on the fly, on a budget, and without removing all the cabinets. There's a plan for changing the fronts of the cabinets, the doors. Those will be made right here in this shop. some of the new cabinets are already getting started. And those are the ones that are being built for my new pantry as well as the refrigerator surrounding. So I'm working on that. That part won't affect what I'm doing as far as Texas cooking today and what I'm putting out. So I wanted to just keep you updated. I'm in my shop. I got the thing finally cleared out a little bit so I could work on stuff. The machinery, all of it works. It's in good condition. A little bit old, a little dusty. That doesn't matter. It works good. So, new brackets coming, and next time you see these, they'll be pretty and painted black, and they'll have well-shaped corners on them, and they'll be holding up my vent hood, and it'll look really cool. So, see you in the kitchen. Oh, well, I've just finished a long, hard day's work. There's been many of long, hard days of work getting this place fixed up. So the thing of it is, this kitchen is almost finished. I've got some woodwork to do over there where I've built my pantry and my refrigerator insert and everything, and that's all going to be fronted out in some beautiful wood, the same way I did this, same type of stuff, same look. So I'm going to be doing that over there, and then eventually I will have this exact same look throughout this entire kitchen, because that's what I'm going to do. Is I'm going to rebuild new fronts for these cabinets and the drawers, and we're going to be doing that color, and I'm going to be rounding it the same way, so everything is going to be in some beautiful hardwood, and it's going to look beautiful in here. But that's not now. That's later on down the road. That's just plans for tomorrow, that's all. And we're getting it started on this side. Right now, I have the kitchen almost ready for filming though. If you look around, it's a lot wider in here. There's a lot of room now. I can reach out, I can grab what I want off of the wall because I'm about to get everything hung up there just the way I want it. And once it's on hooks and everything looks really nice, the new vent stack is in, then I'm going to be pretty much ready to go on filming. So the kitchen is just about there. I'm just in the final finish ups. And as you can see, we've got some bold colors, and it's the same color that I used in my previous videos. It's just a different kitchen, so it's going to set it off a different way. I did run the white tile all the way up. It was a different size than this older tile, so I had to do some creative work, and that was with this thing over here. That's how I worked that out. I wanted that vent hood higher, and certainly I moved it higher. I had to make my own brackets. They don't make brackets to hang these things with, so if you're going to hang it the way I did, you got to create your own. Well, I've got my own shop here. I've got it stocked with steel and wood, and there's plenty of stuff out there to work with. So making some brackets wasn't even an issue. It was fun, actually. So, got those made, got this ready to go. Very soon, back on a roll for Texas Cooking Today, and that's when season 6 is going to get kicked up. In the meantime, I'm still knocking out some of last season's videos, and well, this is also part of season 5. So, we're getting there. Thank you for watching this. I just wanted to update you, that's all. And if you would, take a look right below here in the comments box and in the description box. You're going to see links in that description box, and in the comments, if you would, just go ahead and post whatever you're feeling, what you'd like to know, ask questions. I try to answer a lot of these, but lately I haven't had time to answer too many folks. But I'll be getting back to that soon. Folks, take a look down there. The links will get you to S.A.Trotter Arts. And that is my website. That's S.A.Trotter.com. And you're going to find my recipes there. My artwork is there. My photography. You're going to see some neat stuff. Thank you very much. Have a good day. And if you haven't subscribed, God, what are you waiting for? Please do that too. Bye-bye. Oh, finally.